Hello everyone. Uh, so yesterday I solved like 4 or 5 problems, and now we're going to continue from yesterday. Uh, the rank is 240. Sorry, number of points for the next batch is 247. So I think I will try to attain that batch in the next 2 or 3 days. In the next 2 or 3 upcoming days. Okay. So let's begin the problem solving. Let me just check if everything is okay or not. Next batch is 247. So I think I will try to attain that. Hmm. Am I playing? Okay, everything is okay. Am I now? Let's uh, solve the questions. Am I playing a new mobile game that starts? Okay, we solved this problem actually. It was okay. It was a revisited problem before this one. Am I playing a new mobile game that starts with consecutively numbered clouds? Some of the clouds are thunderheads and others are cumulus. Okay, she can jump on any cumulus cloud having a number that is equal to the number of current cloud. She can jump to on any Columbus cloud having a number that is equal to the number of current cloud. Current cloud plus 1 or 2. Okay, and she must avoid the thunderheads. Determine the minimum number it will take Emma to jump from her starting position to the last cloud. It is possible to win the. It is always possible to win the game. Okay. For each game, Emma will get an array of clouds numbered 0 if they are safe or 1 if they are if they must be avoided. Okay. Index from 0 to 6. The number of uh, the number of each cloud is its index. In the number of each cloud is its index in the list. So she must avoid the clouds at indexes 1 and 5. Correct. 0, 1. Okay, 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She could follow. She could follow the following two parts: 0 to 2, 4 to 6, 0 to 2, 4 to 6. Okay, or 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 3 to 4, 4 to 0 to 2 to 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6. The first part takes 3 jumps and the second part takes. Okay. Uh, Minimum, we have to determine the minimum number of jumps, right? Okay. We have a CR. Okay. So first, nothing else to compare. Uh, uh, okay. So what can we do is we find she can jump from any cumulus cloud having a number that is equal to the number of current cloud. She can jump to any cumulus cloud having a number that is equal to the current cloud plus 1 or 2. Okay, so max she can jump higher is 2. The highest she can jump is 2. Okay, she must avoid the thunderheads. Okay, integer n. Okay, 7. She can jump from 0 from 1 to 1, and then 1 to 1 2. So path is 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6. It goes 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6. Fourth. Okay, she jumps 4 times. Okay, okay, let's take. She can jump from 0 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 5. Total number of jumps, the minimum number of jumps are 3. So what can we do is, okay, let's check the constraints. The total number of nodes are between 2 to 100. Okay, minimum will be 2, maximum will be 100. Okay. each will be okay. The for the ending starting cloud and the ending cloud will always be 0. Okay, we know that much. Okay, we'll start from a minimum number of jumps, right? So we'll set count equals to 0. We'll set count equals to 0. We'll take this example. For I in range 0 to length of C. Okay, now we know that our range I starts from Alice or Emma, whatever name is Emma. She starts from the index value of 0. Okay, now we need to check for the minimum number of jumps. We need to maximize the number of jumps that take the value 2. So what we'll do is we'll first check if the value of C of I plus 2 is equals to while the value of I is less than length of C. And we'll set I is set to 0. Okay, if C of I plus 2 is equals to 1, then
battery low.
We'll increment C of I equals to C of I plus 2 is 0. So we'll increment now. That is the case. That means so we'll set equal to 1 when we need to increment the value of I to plus 1 and count jump equals count plus 1. Okay, and if C of I plus 2 is equals to 0, then we need to increment the value of I equals to I plus 2 and count equals count plus 1. So there will be a point when the length of I like I plus 1 will reach out of index value. Return the value of count. Let's see how does this goes. Need to check if I plus 2 becomes greater than length of C minus 1. If it's greater than 5, then we set I plus 2 of C minus 1. And same goes for 5 plus 1 becomes greater than. Oh, okay. Hmm. Let's try to run this code. Wrong answer. Your output 1. Okay, what about this? Your output 0. Okay. There were a lot of issues today. Actually, my OBS was not working properly, and this construction work is going on, and so noisy. So, and I had a lot of work. I had a lot of work today morning, so I was not able to stream on time. You can see it's almost 1 o'clock, and now like I generally stream at 11:30 or 12 o'clock. Am I playing on? Okay, sorry. Mm, 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, so now let's use this example in our algorithm to handle the solution. Your output one. I indicating the current position of the value, current position of Emma. I indicate the current position of Emma. 0 less than length of C. 0 less than length of C. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. Correct condition true. N is set to 0. Is I plus 2. I plus 2. I set to 0. I plus 2. 0. 2 greater than. Nope. Second. Nope. If C of n, C of the C of ah, okay, so that's where the problem is coming. Let's just erase all of this. uh, I indicates the current position of Emma, right? So what we'll do is, if let's try the simple solution. If I plus, first we'll check if she can go from 0 to 0 1 1 to 2 1 to 2. If it equals to 1, then she will only jump. She will only jump. So uh, count equals count plus 1. Okay, and I will change to I plus 1. If she can jump, if the value of I plus 2 is set to 0, is 0, count equals count plus 1 should, but here I equals set to I plus 2. Okay. Now the problem here is we are running out of index. If C reaches the value of this 6, 5, sorry, 5. So 5 plus 2 is out of index range, right? Because so how can we solve this question? Mm, I plus 2 is not greater or equals to length of S, length of C. ओके अगर ये हुआ एंड hmm hmm okay, we can do this. If I plus 2, we'll set I plus 2 n equals to I plus 2, and if n becomes greater than the length of C, uh, greater or equals to the length of C, then we'll set n equals to length of C minus 1. Else everything continues. And we'll check n equals to 0. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll check if n equals to, if the length of n equals to, okay, set. C of n, C of n. I equals to 0 1 2. I equals to 2 हो गया. Is 2 less than length of C? Length of C is 7. 2 less than 7 condition true. 2 plus 2 4. N equals to 4. N equals to 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 is 4 greater than equals to length of 7. 4 greater than 7. No. C of 4 0 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 is equals to 0 1. Nope. 0 condition true. Count equals to incremented. Count is incremented by 1 2. I becomes 4 5 6. I becomes 4. Now 4 less than 7 condition true. 4 5 6 6. N becomes 6. 6 greater than equals to 7 condition false. C of 6 equals to 0 false. C of condition true. To incremented by 2. 7 I equals to becomes 5. 4 5 6 6 6 less than length of C here equals minus 1. If I reaches this value, length of C I reaches this value, length of C minus 1, तो इक्वल टू हो जाएगा. जैसे इक्वल हो जाएगा, this should work fine. Let's see. Okay. Fake HTML, live Gravanda. It's not fake. It's easy, bro. I know. I just suck at programming. I know it's easy, but I just suck at programming. What's your Mycon Nascimento? Easy, easy. Live Gravada. What's live Gravada? What's HTML? What? Is this a bot or something? Okay, now moving on. Uh, let's check how many points do we need. 227. 622. 622. We'll 250 points more. 250, 200 points more, sorry. 230 points. 230 points, yeah. 228 points to be exact. Equalize the array. Okay, let's try to do this. Fake HTML is a fake, no, whatever. Hmm. Let me just unlock auto hide the task. Okay, now it should be fine. Uh, okay, whatever. Now, Carl has an array of integers. He wants to reduce the array until all remaining elements are equal. Okay. Determine the minimum of the elements to delete to reach his goal. For example, if his array ARR is we set that we see that he can delete the two elements 1 and 3 living. Could also delete the twos either. He could either delete both the twos and either 1 and 3. There are three decisions. Okay. The minimum relation is 2. Okay. Complete the equalize array in the editor below. It must return an integer that denotes the minimum number of deletion required. Okay, let's check on the constraints. The n values ranges. The length of the array. Length of the array is between 1 to 100. Okay. I know elements in the array ranges from 1 to 100. What we'll do is, what I'm thinking is, is our ARR sorted? No, it's not sorted. Oh, okay, it's not sorted. So what we'll do is we'll sort it in descending order. So the largest value to the smallest value. Okay. Then what we'll do is we'll count. No. Okay, let's try it. ARR is 33213. If we delete ARR of 2 012, we'll check. we'll check a number, the maximum count, and delete everything else. Yeah, maximum count in the sense a number that is most repeated in the ARR array. Yeah. Yo, anonymous, how to use Termax, SQL, Joker, and then lie Joker. अरे कौन है फिर चलिए 33213 if we delete ARR of equals to 2. If anyone is watching, please like the stream. Mycon Nascimento, please like the stream. Oh, okay. Sorry for that. Well said, the reverse value is true. Then for I in ARR, count dot append could you excuse me for a minute? Not speak Hindi. I do speak Hindi. क्या तुम मुझे समझ सकते हो? What do you think of my name, ugly or beautiful? I don't know your name. क्या तुम मुझे समझ सकते हो? हाँ, समझ सकते हो तो. Sorry. क्यों क्यों भी not क्यों भी not अरे क्या हुआ पर look. It's Karan Kal has an array of integer. He wants to reduce the array until all remaining elements are equal. Okay, we'll sort the array first by true, and then we'll append count dot append arr dot count I. We don't need to sort this array. Okay, we need text right? Okay. How to remove duplicate elements from a list. Python. काय काय सांग ना सांग ना okay, 1 2 2 3. We sort the array, we'll get sorry, underscore will duplicate, we'll remove the 1 2 3. Okay, for okay, this array will when how many times count is incremented to 1. 2 is how many times, 2 times, 3 is how many times, 1 time. Okay, so so what do we need to do is we need to remove the minimum number of, we need to get the maximum count, max count, and delete everything and delete sum and delete sum and delete everything. Okay, so we'll set max underscore to max of count underscore and we'll set val 0 for I count underscore I is equals to not equals to max underscore, if I is not equals to the max underscore value, then we'll put it in val equals to val plus I. So 1 is not equals to 2, so condition becomes true. 2 equals val equals to 1 plus 0 plus 1, and 2 max is it is 2, so it skips the value. Then we go to, then we return the value of val. Yeah, it did work. Okay, 3 out of 18 test cases failed. Okay. What could be the test case? Every element in that array should be same, correct? How many delete operations do we require? We will check first who has the maximum number of count, and how do we do that? Okay, he is using the basic from the collection class. don't need to sort the array, we just need to create a list of should we test the let's try all the test case. 32, 37, 32, 97, 35, 30. Okay, every element is different. Uh, 37. Okay, so if max underscore is 1 then we need to set val set to val equals to the length of loop of 10 flex length of ARR minus 1. The condition is let's check. It should work now. Now what I'll like after like the fourth batch, okay, 2 out of test case. After my fourth batch, I'll start to study time complexity more, and I'll revise every problem until the solution of every problem I've done, and determine the time complexity of it. Uh, 15. This it's supposed to be a very easy question. 93.63% is a very easy question. I think I'm gonna end the stream today for right now, because there is a lot of internet issues going on right now and a very noisy background. So sorry for that, and see you guys tomorrow.